Good day, my users. Once again, welcome to Omega Coding. My name is Oluwatosin, and today I will be showing us how to reinforce our user login form. Because if you take a very good notice about something that is wrong with the form, if I type in my username Omega and I type in my password 1234, I click login. Welcome. It opens this. And take notes. If I type Omega once again, I type the same password. I type 5678. This time around 5678, and I click login. It says welcome. Why? Because the do lookup syntax is looking through this table and picking for any value here, any value in the username and any value in the password. Alright, let me make it clear to you. Let me go to the design view of this one and unload. Alright. Okay. I want you to see the table while I try to log in. Let me remove the border style and set it to sizable. Alright. Oh man, it's still not movable. Alright. Movable. Yes. Alright. So look at the username. If I say my username is Alpha and I type in password that belongs to Omega, this is 1234. You see, I click on login. It says welcome because the database is looking through. It's looking through to pick any value and any value where it corresponds. Alright, so today we are going to try and adjust that quickly. So I'll go to my design view. I'll click on this on my event. I'll go to this. It takes me back to my VBA for the login. So I will just try and adjust this with just some simple line of codes. Alright, just to check where the value corresponds. Alright, if it's null, this should this. Alright, else if immediately before this, then there should not be then. So let us add an or here, or underscore, or space underscore. I press enter. Okay. If it's null, then look up username users, where username is equals to value in the TSC username, or it's not the lookup password users, password is equals to the value in the password, or me tst password is not equals to the lookup password from table users, where username is equals to the username dot value then alright, I was supposed to Close this one more time. All right. All right. Now the system is going to check if this two value returns null. It means the password username is not correct. That means the system cannot pick any username that corresponds with the username on the form. And if the system looks through the table and it cannot see any password that corresponds with the password on the form, or when it looks through the table and it sees a username and password, and if the password does not correspond with the username on the form, then all this should happen. Now let us test run our code. I'll go to my form view. Let me use Omega first. So if I use 5 this time around, if I use 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8 that belongs to alpha, and let's see if it logs in. It's invalid username or password. Let me use alpha, and I use 5 6 7 8 alpha 5 6 7 8. I click oh no, let me use alpha 1 2 3 4. I click OK. See, invalid username or password, because it is checking for corresponding password now, unlike before that it was just checking for any password on the column. All right, let me use the correct one, Omega and 1 2 3 4, and click on login. You see, welcome. It is as simple as that. So please, whenever you are trying to do your login form, endeavor to add this single line of code to check if the password corresponds with the username on the form. Thank you, and God bless. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe, please. I really need you people's help to enable me to continue doing this video. All right, thank you, and God bless.